The red and purple pigments are poured into the main vat, creating a mesmerizing cloud of dust before the mixing process begins.
Watch as the golden spherical beads of oil are poured into the red mixture. The mixer gently folds them in.
Precision engineering at its finest. The empty molds are guided seamlessly along the conveyor system. As the molds pass into the chilled environment, the cosmetic liquid rapidly transforms, cooling from a gloss to a smooth, matte texture. Robotic arms meticulously handle the gold and black casings, a ballet of high-tech efficiency. The flaming process. The lipstick bullets pass quickly under a small blue gas flame or heater. The outer layer melts slightly to create a perfect glossy finish.
The laser precision etches the batch number and the expiration date onto the lipstick tube, ensuring quality control.
This is the output of the 3-roll mill. The intense shearing forces create this extremely smooth, vibrant red pigment paste. As the spindle rotates within the sample, the automated system provides a detailed viscosity profile, ensuring consistent product quality.
This is the main filling line, where our signature hot pink liquid lipstick is precision poured into metal molds. Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes precision robotics to assemble the inner mechanisms of our lipstick tubes.
The assembly line operates with flawless precision. Molten red lipstick is injected into the molds.
The spatula test confirms the precise hardness and creamy texture required for application.
A blast of cold vapor instantly surrounds the lipstick tips as they enter the cooling tunnel, creating a frosty atmosphere.
The lipstick is precisely sliced to reveal any internal air bubbles, a critical step in our quality assurance protocol. At the flaming station, blue gas flames gently lick the surface of the rotating lipstick bullets, instantly rendering them glossy and flawless. High-speed automation ensures every lipstick is capped with a precise, satisfying click, ready for the market. Precision engineering ensures every premium lipstick box is perfectly aligned for the next stage of production. In this state-of-the-art cosmetic facility, advanced robotics handle the heavy lifting, optimizing efficiency across the board.
This high-speed wrapper secures the products tightly, ensuring they are protected for distribution across the globe.
Time is money in the cosmetic industry. This shipment of lipsticks must reach the loading bay in record time.
Uncap the icon.
Experience the ultimate color payoff. Rich, creamy, and intensely pigmented for a high gloss finish that truly pops.